again?
A hog trap.
Hog or husband trap?
Hog
husband trap?
Hog husband trap.
Because this could be a $1 million idea right here.
For all the single ladies out there on Tinder and Match.com.
That's right. We'll just build a trap, get him in here, put some no climb, and he can't escape.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we're going to be building a hog trap. We're out here at the ranch, and we're going to be using this Titan PGD 2875 from Titan T-Post Drivers. They were nice enough to send me this driver to try out for free, and I've already used it on a couple of projects, but decided to go ahead and make a video about it. This one is it's got a Honda motor on it. It's a 4-stroke. This right here is where you add some oil when you need to add a little grease to it, little like grease from a grease gun, kind of like that deal. Put it in there. It probably could use a little bit, but this I'm not going to be using this for a lot today, just for slamming a couple of posts for this hog trap that I've been wanting to try to make. Let me show y'all some of the features of this. So it's got these different collars. This one is 1.8 inches in diameter. This is the short one. This is the long one. Well, this is the one that I'm using for T-post because it's got a longer throat on it. This is a shorter one. This one is 1 inch, and this is the big boy for your big pipe. Go ahead and show y'all. Push that down. Okay, prime it. It's got a prime bulb right here. 2, 3, 4 cranks of that. Choke it. Purrs like an old kitten. We'll take it over there where we're gonna be putting the hog trap. Slam some T-post. We're gonna show y'all how it works. All right, so we got our first post here. This is just a piece of rebar, and then we got a limited supply of T-post. I might come back and reinforce this. We're gonna put this one here, and then it all makes sense when I'm done, I promise. This thing is very loud, so make sure you wear hearing protection. The thing that's nice about this driver compared to the 2-stroke, starts easier and it's quieter when it's just idling. So what we're doing is connecting, we overlapping 3 sections on the panel. We're gonna tie them up, and then we will make a gradual bend and come back to the first panel that we have there. wasn't for Birdie, I don't know what I'd do. She always says she's the brains and I'm the bronze. Right, honey? It's that easy. If you're in need for a T-post driver, go check out Titan. Put the link in the description below. What you want to do is make a trail of corn. That way the hogs will come in right here and then nose it open right over there and then get stuck in the trap. See if it works. I appreciate Titan me sending me this T-post driver. We're gonna put it to a lot of good use out here at the ranch. We already have built some fence with it and we will continue to. So go check them out. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies. Yes. No. I want everybody on it. Everybody.
Go, three.
Be first. Now, try to run. You dang land. Oh.
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good. Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10%'s really got me going.
Is that DNR? All right, cook those. Cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.
Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.